So hello guys, welcome back with another video in electronic studio. So today we are going to learn how to use the RTC DS3231 module with the help of XIAO board. So let's stay tuned and let's get started. So guys, first I have to go to the Arduino IDE. Here I created already the code. If you can see here guys, I created this code. Here I am using for the library this module, this library, this one. If you want to download this library, you have to go here directly in library manager. If you will paste here, so you can able to see this is the one author of this library. So you have to use this library. Other libraries will not work. And for a reference also, I will provide this library in my GitHub page. There also you can access. And there this line is like a set. If you want to set the time, date, month, whatever, everything, so with the help of this line you can adjust the time. So first you have to uncomment this line, then put it the correct time, then after uploading the code, then again we have to this comment this line, then it will work again. It will start to save the time. It will then and here I'm printing RTC time, means time, date, hour, minute, seconds. Then after next line I'm printing the year, month, day, and day of the week I'm printing here. And if you want to see which one board I'm using here, if you want to go this tool, this section you have to go, then board ESP32. I created already the path. You also created here the ESP32 board manager path. And if you will go in the down here, you can able to see which one board I am going to use. This is a XIAO board. They provided by also the ESP32 board. If you will scroll down, see here, if this one word I'm using here guys, XIAO ESP32C6, this one you have to use. And one more thing I want to show you guys, what are these one few things are there. If you are using in this model this battery, means CR2032 battery, then you have to replace this R4 registers are there backside of this model. You have to remove this register, then it will work. In case if you are using this 2032 batteries. So this is the module photos are there. You can refer this one, and this is the working image is there. And if you will see guys here, this is the outputs of the our RTC. Here I was printing RTC, means date, time, date it was coming here. This is the time, time and date, and this is the day of the week, means month, means week of the day. Which one is the date? Means here they are considering Sunday is the first. If you want to see in the code also, I put it here already. And Sunday is the first day and seventh day of the Saturday. And one more thing I want to show you here guys, in this module, if you will see this back side, here the addresses are there, A0, A1, A2. So how you adjust with this address? If you want to see the I2C address, if you are using this single controller, multiple modules if you want to use, so you have to change the address as per your requirement. If you will not sort any jumpers, it will be the default at I2C address will be the 57. If you want to sort this A0, then 56 will with A1 55 address will change. So like this gray symbol is a short symbol. If you will short this, so according to your requirement you can use this I2C addresses. And if you want to use some a few examples for this one library, so you can go directly in our include example. Here you can access which one is the library we are using, and in this library you can see the examples, bro. Like so, see here, this one is the examples are there. You can use this library example, guys. So that's all for today's video. Thanks for visit Electronics Studio. Before leaving, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.